Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you're watching DigitWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix split view not working on external display on Mac. So when you go to mission control and try to split your screen, but it's not working. As you can see here, as soon as I take the display to another, but it's not split my screen. So when the split view works on main display, but not working on an external monitor, display have separate spaces may be turned off, and macOS require this option to be enabled before split view can be used on secondary displays. Also, both apps must be supported full screen mode and split view. So enabling this setting will not add split view support to app that does not provide it. That's obvious. So to fix the issue, first click on the Apple logo and choose system settings. Now in the left side pane, go to desktop and dock, and here in the right side pane, scroll down all the way and make sure to enable the toggle right to displays have separate spaces in mission control section. And as soon as you enable the toggle, you can see requires logout right to the setting. So you have to log out your user account before apply this setting, and then only you can use split view on an external display. So click on the Apple menu and then choose logout. After that, log out your user account and then log back in. After that, check requires logout is disappeared or not, and then try to use split view. It surely be working. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.